Well, where's old Jer riding to? Yep, looks like he's found himself the waterfall. Uh-oh. Has he got himself into a pickle? Will he get himself out of this? Find out coming up next on
Mattatto Moto.
Just a good old boy.
All right, we all set?
Yeah.
Oh, balls. I forgot my helmet. That right there, that is the you dumbass look. Alright, back on the bike. I'm trying to get my groove back. Yeah, not working. Alright, now we're all set. Let's get to walking. Yeah. Well, hey, at least there are some nice views as you make your way to the top of the hill for the first long descent.
Oh, okay. All right, ready?
Yep.
I'll take it last.
Thanks. One more after me. National. It's rocky, it's chunky. There are different line choices for each run that you make it down. And occasionally, there's even smooth sections.
Yeah, I almost dropped her on the last.
Dialed.
Dialed.
Talking about the fool I am. Hang for a second while I glide to the jam session and start expressing with more bang than the big old big bass routine handling a man. Diggity dang dang, dang diggy. Don't you do this? Do the history, see the samurai were Buddhist. All about peace, leaving the beast toothless. The proof is
I know it's hard to tell from this grainy picture, but these two were very distracting. I may be old, but I still have my pride, and there was no way I was going to fall in front of it.
Speeches from lifeless speeches. Find myself in stitches and creases, listening to politicians telling me what peace is.
Man, you act like you're too cool for
So much more comfortable on my old beater than
jewel.
Someone else
You're not supposed to break the rule. You broke the golden rule. No, that's not cool. We all headed for the light. At the end of the tunnel, stop sitting on the fence. Tense like pegs, scraping dregs out the small end of the funnel. Like Sally Gunnell, you had it once, but now I'm running rings round you, leaving you standing right around you, astound you, pound you, surround you like Dolby, digital, super lyrical. My mind speaks, and my body pops.
This is the famous waterfall, and as I'm walking up it, it's getting a classic case of that GoPro effect, where it smooths everything out and makes all of these rocks and drops look smaller than they actually are. As you're looking at the video, most of us here are 6 foot or 6'4" to help you scale in the size. This is the spine, and this is the option that a lot of people choose to come down. Jason's opting to take a different approach and go to the rider's far left, which is a straight shot down of some chunky boulders.
Yeah!
You can't rival, got more cream than they produce, it's an rival. You know who you are, no need to name drop, stay shipshape, your life slip, slap, slop. What happened, man? You're off the beaten track.
Get it, get it! Ah!
Overtaking you in 2010, still on the pen, a state of zen. Me and Ben, we drop a Glen. God forbid that if we meet again, I'll be like, where you been?
Learning more and more like 10.
Ooh, nice.
It's on the table, merry men. Genesis to 2010 with 2012 to settle in. Don't panic is what we're telling them.
On one, like Ken Hom, Yang can,
Yeah.
and so can I. So don't try, a la carte, gourmet style. You ice and deep fry off the beaten, you don't know why.
Try and try, man, face facts. Foot forward because there's no way back. Life advice is hidden in the playback. It's the future, what they say when they taste that.
That's how the tank rolls.
Yeah, dude, smash yourself.
That's right. Woo. Good line. I'm gonna hang right so you can pass. Yeah. Hi.
That was the fun part.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yeah. Yeah, just cut it a little too tight. There it is. Damn it. Oh, got new scratches on my forks now.
So there you go, a rundown Upper National. From here, we chose to go check out a rock crop feature that Jason wanted to show us.
No. All right. Sounds fair.
This video, like all my others, are brought to you by my sponsors, 40 Hours in the Office and beer. Lots of beer. I got the chance to demo
Get
a
Cindy.
Transition Patrol and Sentinel, along with the Santa Cruz Nomad.
Yeah.
Those videos are going to be coming out shortly.
Woo,
so
there
be
it
sure
is.
to hit the like button and subscribe.
Check one off the list.